Open the lens cover. Just sneak around the corner. Uh-huh, yeah. Go ahead, hurry up. Oh, look at Jackie. Yeah. Look at Jackie. She's getting all clean, yeah. Look at her. Look at you, you dirty thing. Here's his Obama walk. Hey, you're the president. Ah, leave her alone. Yeah, leave her alone. She likes that. Yeah, you need to get a bath too, you dirty thing. Yeah, you. She's really into it now. She says you're not getting in here. Yeah, this isn't a Cialis commercial. You can't go in a tub. Well, she's just loving it. She's just going to stay in there all day. Look at that, honest to God, if that isn't like Obama, I don't. Chloe. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. What's up? What's happening? Honest to God, if that isn't a black walk, I don't know what is. He's shucking and jiving. Jackie's she's just having too much fun. Look, he's walking around. Are you done yet? Are you done yet? Are you done yet? Can I get in? Can I get in? Yeah. Hi, Chloe. Yeah. You're Chloe. Of course, you don't know that. Look at you. Look at you.
I'm done bathing.
You're soaked.
What about you, Chloe? Go get a bath.
You're not coming over here all wet. No. Don't even think about it.
I'm really surprised.
Go away. You're not, no.
Come on, Obama, take a bath.
No. Stay there. Oh, you're soaking wet. I don't want you, either one of you. Stay there. Chloe, go get a bath. You go get a bath. Go on. Go on.
Of course not.
Go on.
Camera's on.